Meaning of devolved.
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 Devolved. The term devolved refers to the transfer of power or authority from a central government to a lower level of government, such as a regional authority or local council. This process typically involves giving these lower levels of government greater decision-making and administrative responsibilities over certain areas, such as education, healthcare, or transportation. The result of devolution can include increased local control and accountability, more efficient decision-making, and a greater sense of community involvement in the governance process. However, it can also lead to disparities in service provision and potential conflicts between different levels of government.